free Bible school for my 3 misguided boys, Musi Maimane, Julius Malema, and Nelson Chamisa. Romans chapter 13, respect for authority. Obey the government, for God is the one who put it there. So those who refuse to obey the law of the land are refusing God, and punishment will follow. Respect ANC and ZANU-PF, Comrade Cyril Ramaphosa and Comrade Emmerson Mnangagwa, ED. Musi Maimane, my foot dive wound. Climaxing inside a white woman doesn't make you white, my brother. Your toddler prick, chicken sex is driving you to self-hate. Hey, I'm a politician. You were never a leader of Democratic Alliance, DA. You were a black for hire, rent a black. You failed to be Gauteng premier, and then you think you can talk about politics. Wanyela, mareta how? While listed DA MPs were busy roasting Steinhoff company boss Marcus in parliament, you were enjoying the comfort of a 4 million rand mansion and a Toyota Fortuner fully paid by the same company. You are a corrupt pastor, umuruti watsotsi. Remember your homophobic Liberty Church, sinners and the sick, referring to Muslims and the gay community. Leave Zimbabwean politics to us Zimbabweans. President Emmerson Mnangagwa is not a leader of DA or your stupid kindergarten political party, One South African movement. What human rights do you know when you deny being black? Better you go to be Herman Mashaba, a xenophobic leader, driver. Leave us to deal with our own politics. You Muruskond. Julius Malema, you really want to grow EFF to take over political power and make South Africa a better place? Give landless black South Africans land and empower them economically. You had tea in Nganja with Comrade Jacob Zuma, pretending as like you care for him, but yet you wanted to steal his limelight because the focus was on him, and you look like you wanted him to do the right thing, to appear on the Zondo Commission. Before all this, come to Zimbabwe and take your son. You fathered with your former helper, your maid from Zimbabwe. Are you not ashamed to neglect your own son because the mother is poor? I told you to come out as a Zimbabwean. Come out, Julius. You are a Zimbabwean. You are our brother. And don't mess with my sister, you fucking bloody fool. Nelson Chamisa, Mushoyo Banku. Is God still in it or long gone out of it? You need the grace to understand the difference between Sinasu politics and mainstream politics. Reality and imagination. Imagination that you are the winner of 2018 elections without evidence. Reality that ED and ZANU-PF are the government of Zimbabwe. Reality that you never succeed in fighting the government of Zimbabwe, removing them unconstitutionally. Why can't you just kiss your once promising political career goodbye and stop political power mongering? You know that Jonathan Moyo is ill advising you. He's a double-headed snake. Why can't you just give Fadzai Mahere a baby before she is rigged and captured through her ovaries by menopause? Fadzai Mahere, how are you balancing Chihure and politics? Why are you writing President E.D. Mnangagwa a letter when your singing political party is not recognizing him as a president? Talk of stupidity. wende wegbembe